Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this finger millet or ragi cake. I did use banana and whole wheat also in this. Turned out so good. It was so moist and very tasty. It is slightly crumbly because of the millet that I've used, but otherwise the cake was so good. We thoroughly enjoyed it. This is a very healthy and nutritious version of cake. Do give this recipe a try, friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We require absolutely ripe bananas. Here I'll be using 2 ripe bananas, finger millet flour which is sifted and reserved. Same with the whole wheat. I've sifted the whole wheat and reserved. We need jaggery powder, that is cane sugar, sifted and reserved, that is powdered cane sugar. We'll be using oil and milk powder, baking powder, cooking soda and vanilla essence. In a mixer grinder, I've added the banana. I'll also be adding the oil, baking powder and cooking soda, and we'll grind all the ingredients till it's nice and smooth. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. I've posted a detailed blog post. The blog post link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. I do translate and post all these recipes in Tamil language, so the Tamil channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now I've added vanilla essence. We'll grind this into a smooth paste and we'll add it to a mixing bowl. Here in a mixing bowl, I've added the powdered cane sugar, raw cane sugar or jaggery. We need to sift the jaggery. It will have hard lumps which will not melt in the cake, so always sift it and use it. I've added the jaggery to a mixing bowl. Now the ground smoothie that I prepared earlier, I've added it to the mixing bowl. We need to combine the raw cane sugar, that is jaggery, and the smoothie. Till the jaggery melts, you have to combine all the ingredients and allow this to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't touch it at all. Allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. The jaggery has to melt and it has to form that slurry format. So here you can see the jaggery has melted. It's rested for almost 10 minutes. Now the jaggery mixture is ready, or the banana mixture is ready. To this we'll be adding the flour, the finger millet flour, whole wheat flour and the milk powder. Before adding your finger millet flour and whole wheat flour, just check the smoothie. If there are any hard lumps of jaggery, try and remove it off. So here I've added the finger millet flour, whole wheat flour and the milk powder. Milk powder will enhance the flavor and taste. Now all the ingredients are added. Gently I'm going to combine all these 3 ingredients in that slurry and I'll form a cake batter. Make sure there are no hard lumps. You have to gently combine all the ingredients. And also grease a 9x13 pan, or if you're using a cake mold, it should be 9x13. Grease it and reserve it. You just need to apply oil and reserve that. I'm using a convection microwave oven to prepare this cake. I've preheated my convection microwave at 170 degrees and I'll be baking this cake for 170 degrees for 20 minutes. Here you can see I'll be using a 9 by 13 pan. I've applied a little bit of oil on the pan and spread it all over, and then I've transferred the cake batter. Always grease your pan. Always grease your pan. Now I've transferred the cake batter and I'll spread it to form an even layer. Make sure there are no bubbles. So once you have spread the cake batter, gently check if there are any bubbles, or you can use a toothpick and just prick all over so that the batter doesn't contain any bubbles in it. Now we'll bake this. Now we'll bake it at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my blog link and social media handle links. I've posted a detailed recipe in my Tamil language channel. Tamil channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Here you can see the cake is nicely baking at 170 degrees. Once I inserted a knife, the knife came out so clean. I removed the cake from the oven, allowed it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes, and I've started to cut it into pieces so that I can start serving it. So the cake is cooled down completely at this point. I've served it. It was very nice and moist. It was slightly crumbly because I used finger millet in this. It is a healthy snacking option and you can prepare this in bulk and store it. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.